slow and steady might win the race, but after you spend thousands of dollars with your store, now it's time to cash in faster than you can say cash in. That is why in today's video, I'm going to share with you another 5 best ways to make your first sales online and offline. Before we start, allow me a quick introduction. I'm Iva Berghmann, business strategist, owner of multiple companies, and on this channel you'll find proven tips and tools that will help you launch, grow, and scale your business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and at any point during this video, check out show notes and links in the description down below. So let's see how you can make money right from the first day. Actually, you can apply these strategies even if you already launched your store. So let's dive in. You can host a giveaway contest. How's this going to work? You can say, anyone who will post a picture wearing or using one of your products or services purchased in your store will receive $100 or euros gift card. I will be choosing the winner at the end of this month. This will encourage people to visit your store, buy and post pictures that will be seen by their friends. This actually can create a ripple effect, allowing you to gain a huge exposure for your brand with little investment. Engage with your customers. Do you remember that last week I shared with you in part 1 of this topic that you can launch your store in Hollywood style? If you didn't watch that video, you have a link somewhere here and you can watch it later. Basically what I said was that prior to your launching, you can start to tease your potential customers. You post on social media photos with your products, preparations, behind the scenes, and so on. People will start to engage with you, and you must engage back in an authentic manner. The way you do that is part of how your brand is going to be perceived. Send them DMs with a link where they can access the store, a discount code, or a free gift. Make sure that you're not salesy, but rather grateful. The way you communicate with your audience will create loyal customers, because this is how people feel that they matter, they're important, and this one is one of the basic psychological needs that we all have. You're not a huge brand, you're a small boutique that wants to impact as many customers as possible. This is one of the most efficient methods, considering the fact that big brands are not so thoughtful as they were at the beginning. And no matter how successful your brand will be, still remember that communication is key, and it'll keep your customer close to your brand. If you open a physical store, you need to organize an opening party. It's costly, but with a low budget, you can attract people in your store. Everybody loves an opening store because they get to see firsthand what your brand has to offer, get drinks, snacks. If your budget allows it, maybe listening a live concert, get gift bags or exclusive items available only at the opening. This will add a little bit of scarcity effect. How many people should you invite? Depending on the size of your store. If you have a small boutique, you might have a hard time serving the customers. Make sure you have enough space, enough staff to pamper every customer. Behind an opening party is a lot of work, and it might be a good idea to work with a company, maybe a small one, that'll know what to do, and it'll take part of your launching burden. Run a sales promo on your header bar with a countdown timer. If you have an online store, you should know that you're in the best place to use impulse buying. You can leverage this by using a limited time offer or a limited stock availability or a last minute deal. The FOMO effect, fear of missing out, is so powerful. And if you come to think of it, you fall for that many times. Very important, if you say limited, make sure you stick to that promise for 2 reasons. Number 1, if you don't respect the terms, the ones who bought in the listed timeline will feel that they've been cheated. If you don't respect the terms, the ones who bought and the ones who didn't will feel more relaxed the next time, knowing that the items will be available anyway, so why bother making the purchase now? In other words, you'll create an unhealthy precedent that'll lead to an unhealthy buying behavior, and on the long-term game, you'll send the wrong message and you'll lose money. convert shoppers on their way out with exit intent offers. Statistics say that 60% of visitors will abandon the shopping cart. A way to reduce this number is to remind them that they can benefit a free gift if they make a certain purchase. That'll increase your sales not only when you open your online store, but all the time. Also, it's helpful to have on your checkout page few testimonials that can entice the proof that the buying decision is a good decision. There you have it, another 5 ways to make your first sales online. I would love to know which of these strategies you found most helpful and share the results with us. Definitely share the knowledge now if you're excited. Make sure that you check these 2 videos that I have right here as well. Subscribe and hit that bell notification button because I've seen that there are many of you watching without being subscribed. And don't forget to download your free blueprint, Launch in Hollywood Style. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Iva Berghmann, and until next time, all the best.